Welcome to Science Direct, home to almost 1/4 of the world's peer-reviewed, full-text scientific, technical, and medical content. With this video, learn how to use the key features of Science Direct to easily find and get the most out of the content you need. This tutorial will answer such questions as: how do I find relevant content, download articles, book chapters, and citations? What material can I access? And how do I stay current with relevant research? Let's begin with the primary use of Science Direct, finding scientific content. There are several ways to find content in Science Direct, each dependent upon your search criteria. For example, you may have a general idea of what you are looking for, a very specific need, or perhaps you are browsing for a book or journal in a specific subject area. For general searches, the simplest way to start is by entering a few keywords into the search bar, which is available to you at the top of every page as you see here. Quick Search effectively supports the most frequently performed tasks and allows you to search by specific keywords across all fields, author names, titles, and by publication volume, issue, and/or page. The search bar helps you to find a broad range of results quickly, with the option of using the Refine Results tool here to filter for specific content that interests you. I'll show you more about the Refine Results tool later on in this video. Now, if you're looking to construct a more specific search, for example, to yield more relevant results, find only content that you have full text access to, or find only the most recent articles, you'll want to use the Advanced Search tool. This will help you create a narrower search and provides more parameters to select from. To do this, open the Advanced Search page by clicking here. Notice that you have options to search across all sources, including journals, books, and reference works, or narrow your search to only journals, books, reference works, or images. For this example, we will use the All tab to search across all sources. Begin by entering your search terms in the open boxes and select which fields you want to search within. You can also further define your search by performing an AND or an AND not search. To help you build a search with proper syntax, use the Search Tips link here. This resource provides helpful information such as how to use connectors, search using special characters, find word variations, and more. If you wish to limit your results to only journals, only books, or only return content that you have access to, such as subscribed publications and/or open access articles, tick the appropriate checkboxes here. You also have the ability to define your search to specific subject areas and by year or date range. Once you've completed the form, click on Search and your results list will appear. From the Search Results page, there are several tools and options available to you. You can further refine your results by choosing to limit your search to publication types, topics, titles, or years. Once you've refined your results and sorted the list to your preference by either relevance or date, you may want to open previews in order to learn more about the list of articles prior to selecting material. Once you've selected the articles that interest you, you have several options. You can download multiple PDFs at one time. You can also export directly to Mendeley or RefWorks, or export into a preferred file format. These tools are especially helpful if you need to be able to access the information offline. You'll notice that for each individual article, you can open the article page by clicking the title, quickly determine whether or not you have access to the full text article. Here you can see that green indicates that you have full text access through a subscription, orange indicates you have access through open access, and white indicates that you have access to the abstract only. Note at the top of the page you can track and access new results as they become available by signing up for a search alert or subscribing to an RSS feed. Now let's look at the article page in Science Direct. The article page in Science Direct features tools that will improve your user experience beyond viewing the static PDF article. To access an article, click on the article title. To ensure you can view all of the available features, maximize your window. You'll see that the main body of the paper appears in the center of the page and looks very similar to the style in the PDF version. In addition to the main body of the article content, there is an outline here to help you quickly navigate through the article and access any supplemental data as seen in this example. Here you will find tools to further enrich your research experience, like recommended articles and citing articles, helping you to discover other relevant material in ScienceDirect, as well as those articles which cite the current article or chapter you're viewing. Specific tools, if relevant to your article, may be available, such as 3D models, audio slides from the author, interactive maps, and more. When viewing a figure, notice that you can download it as a PowerPoint slide containing the appropriate citation information, and that also, by clicking on the figure in the article, opens it into a sidebar and allows you to refer to the figure as you continue to read the article. If you wish to download the article to your e-reader, you can select the correct e-reader format from more options here. Again, you can download the PDF by clicking here or export it to your reference manager. Note, for Mendeley users, the importer allows you to also determine where you wish to add the article within your Mendeley library, as well as insert tags and notes. Earlier in this video, we used search tools to find specific content, but what if you want to find a publication for your specific field of interest, view which journals you have full text access to, or find all open access content? To do this, open the Publications page. You can access this page from the home page or by clicking either Journals or Books in the navigation bar. Use the drop-down menus at the top of each column to filter by publication type, including journals, books, book series, handbooks, and reference works, and by access type. You can also use the menu on the left-hand side to further filter the list by subject areas. From the list, you can identify the type of publication and the access levels available. For example, you can see this is a book series which requires a subscription, whereas this is a journal containing both subscription-based content and content that is available through open access. To access a journal or book table of contents page, click on the title. From the journal page, you can learn more about the journal or book, determine if it's an open access title or supports open access, add it to your favorites list, which will add it to your search options in the advanced search page, sign up for alerts, view the current or past issues, and download multiple PDFs. And if the journal publishes in-press articles, meaning articles that are awaiting placement into a physical issue, you can access those articles here. Likewise, if a journal welcomes authors to publish open access content, you can find those articles here. Throughout this overview, you have seen some personalization features only available to you by registering for a personal account. To begin using features like our alerting services, create a personal profile. Click on Sign In and then the Not Registered link. Then you can complete the form. Registration is free. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. In summary, here are the key things to remember when using ScienceDirect. Begin finding content in ScienceDirect at a basic level using the search bar. Use advanced search to specify your search fields and yield more relevant results from the start, or to find specific material. Use the Refine Results feature to further filter your search results and find what you need. Find specific titles you are interested in by browsing publications. In addition to downloading the PDF, use the online article features to discover more content and view supplementary material. Create a personal profile on ScienceDirect in order to save searches, receive search alerts, and more. You are now ready to get started using ScienceDirect. As you are using the database, be sure to click Help in the ScienceDirect navigation bar as needed. This will provide you with instructions or information related to the page you are viewing in ScienceDirect. To learn more information about ScienceDirect, visit us here. Thank you.